Well guys, it is time to say goodbye to Dubrovnik and these amazing views.
Bye-bye Dubrovnik. So yeah, we thought we'd start the apartment tour for this travel vlog from the balcony because of course this was definitely the best part of the stay. Not
minus those vines, whatever was going on there.
Also minus the 481 steps to climb up.
Yeah, that was insane.
Aside from that, great. But show how big the balcony is, like if you turn around.
A long balcony.
Massive.
So we have 3 bedrooms all along here. Actually, 2 bedrooms and a living area.
Yep.
And everyone has access to the balcony.
Everyone has access. So we're starting here. Let's go into the living room.
Yeah, so we're going to do a quick apartment tour before we head off to the airport.
And this place, it was probably the best bargain for this entire trip. It was only $78 US a night, split between 5 people. So incredible value. But at the same time, this place is definitely stuck in the 20th century. Like if you take a look at the carpet,
early
couches,
20th century.
I mean, everything is comfortable and clean. But my goodness, I don't know. I can't even imagine the date of some of this furniture.
It's cute. It's retro.
It is very retro. We had a nice drying rack which we used. We were like drying our clothes out on the balcony. It was wonderful. We were having wine out on the balcony. So the balcony was the coolest part. But yeah, let's continue on. And so I'll show you the kitchen.
Kitchen area.
Kitchen was pretty small. We did a little bit of cooking here, not too much. I think we made grilled cheeses and paninis basically.
Pastas, salads.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was a pretty spacious kitchen.
Yeah.
I mean, we've got a big table. You can fit 6 people here.
The table was massive. Again, what was really cool is that we had 2 bathrooms.
Yes.
So I'll show you both of them quickly. Come into here. Yeah, washing machine. We had a nice shower.
Big shower.
Amazing water pressure and tons of hot water. So A+ for the shower here.
Yeah.
It was just awesome.
Back in the living area.
So good. And then the other bathroom, which is basically the same.
They're identical.
They almost look like carbon copies, except this one doesn't have a washing machine.
No washing machine.
No washing machine. And the last place for us to show you would be the bedroom. So come on in.
Yes.
So
this one was ours.
Just a small
twin beds.
Pretty small bedroom. We had twin beds. We had a wardrobe we didn't use.
Yeah. We haven't really been unpacking for the shorter stays.
No, because in Croatia, these have been the shortest stays of our entire trip. Like
just 3 to 4 days.
We only had 3 nights here.
Yeah.
It's crazy. We only had 3 nights. And we are saying goodbye to Croatia and hello to Greece.
Yes.
So what we didn't realize though is that there were no direct flights from Dubrovnik to Athens.
And we didn't realize until we had already booked our accommodation.
Yeah,
so then it was like,
Exactly. So we've actually got 2 flights today. We're flying first to Istanbul.
Yeah.
And we're going from Istanbul to Athens. And we're flying in at night. We're arriving in the wee hours of the morning.
1:30 in the morning.
Yeah, we don't even quite know how we're going to get to our Airbnb. Either a cab or some kind of a shuttle bus cab combination. We're not entirely sure. But we'll figure it out along the way. And yeah, we're flying with Turkish Airlines for both flights. So it's time to pack up. It's time to hit the road. We will give you another update at the airport. Time for a much needed update.
Well, we've made it to the airport.
Yes.
We've already found chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically we ended up taking a taxi. Like when we were in town trying to investigate about the bus that comes all the way out to the airport, we met a taxi driver who was really friendly and he offered us what we think is a good rate.
No, we got a deal. Yeah, normally it's 250 kuna, and he offered us 200. He had a nice big van, so it meant the 5 of us could fit in.
Yeah, otherwise we would have needed 2 taxis.
He was just a super nice guy. He drove all the way to the top of the hill to pick us up. So that was just awesome. So show us the chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah, you got the Toblerone bar.
Sam went for
Ritter Sport. Yeah.
So yeah, we're just hanging out because we're here kind of early.
Yeah, we are.
The airport is empty. They only have 4 flights today.
Yeah, you could tell it's a fairly big modern airport for a city as small as Dubrovnik, and I'm guessing there must be a lot more departures in the summer.
Yeah.
But it's pretty quiet right now. It's kind of cool. Like there's still a lot of services. There's some restaurants. There's some like just nice places to hang out, and I think there's going to be a nice sunset with golden hour reflecting over the mountain. So I think I'm going to go try to get that. Well, time for another update. Our flight's been delayed. Apparently there's fog in Istanbul. Womp womp. That kind of sucks. But yeah, so I haven't got you on the video yet. What did you think of Dubrovnik?
Well, the old city is fantastic. The site of the Game of Thrones in one section.
Yeah.
You could
They got
walk
the fort.
around the whole fort and look down. You can walk through it like
Yeah.
during the day, so you see exactly where you are.
Yeah.
Beautiful place.
Yeah.
And the weather, we got good weather while we were there.
I know, we lucked out.
We really lucked out.
Apparently from tomorrow onward it's going to be like 4 days of rain, so it could have been us.
And we missed the cold that we got in Italy too. So.
Yeah, exactly.
So just to summarize, I'm just going to say we've been through Portugal,
Yep.
Spain,
Yep.
Italy,
Italy.
Croatia. And just one more little leg left,
Yeah.
and that's
Greece.
and the Greek island Santorini. So
That's right.
very much looking forward to it.
I know this has been a 10-week journey and we're down to our last 10 weeks, so we got 20% left.
Yeah, and we're really looking forward to it, and we just have to hope that we can get there because there's been a delay with fog in
Yeah, exactly.
Istanbul.
Yeah, and we have a connecting flight, so
Yeah.
fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. We have a special service announcement from Pumpy.
This is the first time I've ever been through an airport gate before Debbie.
Wow.
It's
That's miracles never cease.
I know. Wonderful never cease.
That's incredible. We made it. So what do you think?
It's very foggy.
Yeah, it was. It's like a little blanket of fog just as we were landing, and it was fascinating because it was so clear above, but then you could tell as you were going into it, and then you couldn't see anything, and then finally as we were about to land you could see.
Yeah.
I mean, I tried to film it. I don't think it turned out perfectly, but
Anyways, we were delayed because of the fog.
Yeah.
But we should be able to make our connection.
yeah,
So all is good.
I hope our bags make it.
Whenever we are in Istanbul, we stop by this shop for Turkish delight samples. And Sam is leading the way. Sam is marching on. Where have the samples gone? Where have the samples gone? No more samples? What is this?
Come grab a sample. Delicious. Flight 2 of 2, and there is something pretty funny.
You won't believe it. We are back on the exact same plane. Like, we had to get off, get on a bus, drive to the terminal, walk across the whole airport.
Yeah, it was a 26-minute walk estimated, and we're literally on the same one because you remembered the name, and it was right by a British Airways flight.
It's the exact same.
Literally the exact one.
Only our seats have changed.
So what could be cool is I hope our bags made it.
Our bags should have stayed on.
I hope.
One would hope.
Because that was my biggest fear. You know, we were late, and I wasn't sure if our checked bags would make it, and we still don't know until we arrive. But fingers crossed. We made it. We made it.
We made it.
Fastest immigration. We were right at the front of the line. That was awesome.
And I think the flight was an hour, but it seemed like a half an hour compared
I know.
to the other one. You know?
It was so much quicker.
Really, really quick.
So smooth. Now we're here. Just hopefully our bags made it. Oh, show us what's in the in the bag. We picked that up. That's gonna be our breakfast tomorrow.
Afternoon delight, maybe morning delight.
Morning Turkish delight. No, assorted flavors. We've got pistachio. We've got honey. We've got flour.
They look interesting.
We've got mint. Yeah, it'll be good. We'll be getting our sugar high in the morning.
And this was for the ladies. It was International Ladies' Day.
It was. So
for the ladies.
we didn't have time to eat it in the airport. We had to board right away. So we'll be having it at home.
Yeah.
And look at this. The bags have arrived.
Here.
Let's figure out a way to the apartment.
Into the city we go somehow.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
For the Croatian,
What do you think, Mom?
Athens version of Croatian taxi driver. That's what I want.
That would be really nice. I hope we can get a van. Hope we can all go in a van.
That's what I want.
What do you think, Val?
Yeah, I don't want to go by myself with a taxi driver.
Yeah, exactly. We're just gonna wait for Pumpy. Pumpy's in the bathroom. Always waiting for Pumpy.
Today we are having breakfast at the bread factory right around the corner from our apartment. Just woke up. We got in at like 3:30. We reached the apartment by 3:30, so we didn't even bother filming anything.
Yeah, sorry guys. We ended up taking the bus in.
Yeah.
It ended up being €6 per person, which is a great deal.
Yeah.
And then we split up into 2 cabs, which were €10 each. Yeah, we were just so tired and so like ready to check in. We forgot to film it.
Yeah.
Yeah, really excited to be here. Excited to have breakfast.
Yeah, we're gonna have a leisurely breakfast in Athens and maybe think about exploring in the afternoon after a longer siesta.
Exactly.
All right, so Sam just walked out with his hands full. What did you get?
It's like, I can't believe how much I got for €4. That's like a chocolate baklava, I think. I got chocolate baklava, 2 macarons,
Whoa.
pizza slice, and soda water. It only came to €4, so that's insane value.
And I got you a cappuccino.
You did too.
So that's a big breakfast for the big boy.
It's a brunch. It's a brunch.
Yeah, at 10 in the morning. Must be 10:30 by now.
Yeah. Wow. There's an amazing selection.
Fulfilling all my dreams.